Board of Apprenticeship Training Southern Region, an autonomous body under Ministry of Education Chennai. Website www.boardsrp.com. Web portal mhrdnats.government.in. Email director@boardsrp.com. In coordination with Department of Technical Education, Hyderabad, Telangana, the Federation of Telangana Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FTCCI, Hyderabad, and Siddharth Institute of Engineering and Technology, Ibrahimpatnam, Hyderabad, organized centralized walk-in interview for graduate and diploma in engineering pass out at Government Polytechnic College, Mazab Tank, Hyderabad. Schedule of interview, date, day and time. 9 December 2021, Thursday, 9 am to 5 pm. Category engineering graduates, branches electrical and electronics, electronics and communication engineering, instrumentation engineering, computer science, information technology. Venue, Government Polytechnic College, Masab Tank, Hyderabad. 10th December 2021, Friday, 9 am to 5 pm. Engineering graduates, mechanical, civil, metallurgy, automobile, chemical, mining, B pharmacy. Diploma holders in engineering, electrical and electronics, mechanical, civil, metallurgy, automobile, chemical, electronics and communication engineering, instrumentation engineering, computer science, information technology, DCCP mining, or D pharmacy. Venue, Government Polytechnic College, Masab Tank, Hyderabad. Contact officials, Director Board of Apprenticeship Training, SR Taramani, Chennai. The Principal, Government Polytechnic College, Masab Tank, Asif Nagar, Hyderabad, Telangana State. Mobile number 9912342001. Guidelines: candidates who have passed degree, diploma in engineering on or after 2019, 2020 and 2021 in respective branches of engineering can directly appear for the interview along with original certificates for verification, returned immediately. Xerox copy of provisional certificate and 3 sets of biodata. Students participating in apprenticeship fair should enroll their name in the national web portal id www.mhrdnats.government.in to get user id and password and bring the same during the apprenticeship fair. Students should bring 4 sets of Xerox copy of user id mentioning name, branch and year of passing at the time of attending apprenticeship fair. Candidates who have already undergoing apprenticeship training are not eligible to attend the walk-in interview. Training period is 1 year only under apprenticeship training scheme of Board of Apprenticeship Training Board, Government of India. Minimum stipend prescribed during training age per Apprenticeship Act for degree and diploma holders in engineering pass outs. Many organizations, including government organizations, are paying more than the minimum prescribed. No TA and DA payable for attending walk-in interview. For schedule and details about the apprenticeship fair, you may access to our website www.boardsrp.com. Organized events and news column www.boardsrp.com. Organized events and news column. If any branch of engineering for which the industries are not participating, the biodata of the candidate will be taken by our official to take further action to place them as apprenticeship under the Apprenticeship Act. New industries and organizations are requested to register with our national web portal www.mhrdnats.government.in